Club Junta, building better Africa.
Ndipo dzina langa ndi Chikondi Manjawira. Tikupitiriza kukupatsirani tsatanetsatane wa zokambirana za phungu zoyamba mu mkumano wa nambala 52 wa nyumba ya malamulo. Ndondomeko yoyendetsera zokambirana za phungu mnyumba ya malamulo ikuonetsa kuti aphungu apitiriza kuyikirapo ndemanga pa uthenga omwe mtsogoleri wa dziko lino Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika adapereka mnyumbayi lachisanu pa 31 Oktoba 2025 pomwe amatsegulira mkumanowu. Tikuyembekezanso kuti maunduna awiri apereka malipoti mnyumbayi, ndipo maundunawa ndi unduna oona zachilengedwe, mphamvu ndi migodi, komanso unduna oona zamtengatenga ndi zomangamanga. Well, you are watching Parliament Television, and we continue with our live coverage of the first meeting in the 52nd session of Parliament. Today is Tuesday, the 11th of November 2025, and according to today's order paper, the House is expected to continue with the general debate on the President's address, which was delivered by His Excellency the President, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, on Friday, 31st October 2025. We also expect two ministries to present their statements, and these are Ministry of Natural Resources, Energy and Mining, and Ministry of Transport and Public Works. We now cross over to the chamber as today's deliberations are about to commence. My name is Chikondi Manjawira.
Club Junta,
Honour members, good morning.
building better Africa.
I see an empty parliament this morning. I believe the honour members are on their way. I have no communications to make for now. So welcome to your parliament and welcome to the house that we all are supposed to be this morning. Thank you very much. Oh, I see leader of the house.
Good morning, Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker. Welcome. And in the same vein, good morning, Honorable colleagues. As I indicated yesterday, this morning we'll start with the debate on the President's address. And then in the afternoon, we'll have a ministerial statement from the Minister of Energy, Mines and Natural Resources. I submit, Right Honorable Deputy Speaker.
Thank you very much, Leader. Table clerk.
Government business. Motion on the President's address. That this House do agree with the address graciously delivered by His Excellency the President, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, on Friday, 31st October 2025, continuation of general debate.
Honour members, I will recognize the first three. I'll start from the people of Blantyre.
Blantyre City, Chichiri Misesa.
Okay, you'll be the first one. And you will go to Mchinji Northeast, and then Zomwe City South. Is that the correct name of your constituency?
Yes.
Okay, sure. In that order, please. We can start from Chichiri Misesa constituency. Thank you.
Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker, for recognizing the voice of the people of Blantyre City, Chichiri Misesa, to add his voice on the statement delivered here in Parliament by His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, President of the Republic of Malawi. Allow me, before I get into nitty-gritties, to congratulate my fellow honorable members for making it into this August House. Oh yes, thank you.
It was not easy, as you all are aware, that we were campaigning under very difficult
circumstances, when Malawians were very hungry and angry. But you have made it, you have grabbed the trust of the people in the various constituencies. Let me say this before I get into the sauna. Allow me, through you, First Deputy Speaker, to thank my dear wife, Miri, for the encouragement that she has always given me. As you are aware, that this is not my first time to be in August House. I was a member of Parliament for Blantyre City Central, and then I was booted out. My family members were worried. So when I said that I want to contest again, I needed a lot of courage and support. Therefore, she gave me unwavering support. That's why I can stand here without shame to thank her. My kids, Innocent, Shenaz, Shania, Shontel, and Temba Jr. Without putting aside my brother, Charles, and Elia, and all the family members who have done a favor in cash and kind, so that I can sit or stand in this honorable house and speak for the people of Blantyre City, Chichiri Misesa. Let me also, through you, First Deputy Speaker, thank my constituents, the members of DPP, beginning with the governor himself, the zone governors, and the entire party in Blantyre City, Chichiri Misesa. Don't exclude the chiefs, the TA Kapeni, the senior village headman Chiwembe, the group village headman Likotima, Ndogolo Njambe, Buleya, Misesa Chemboma, and Kumwima, and their subjects. Before I came here, I had a meeting with the chiefs, and they charged me with the responsibility to speak on behalf of them on development issues that has been affecting the constituency. Right Honorable Speaker, my constituency is as a result of the constituency demarcation exercise that happened some few years ago. As you are aware, my constituency was manned by our speaker. After the demarcation, I got a share, and another share from Mulimbe, that was from Blantyre City East. So it's a new constituency. I stand to be guided because I'm feeling like I'm a new member representing a new constituency. So I'm asking your indulgence, right, Honorable Speaker, if I can enjoy the benefits of 15 minutes, I submit.
Honour Member, your request has reached the chair. The chair wants to remind you that you are a seasoned politician and you have been here before, and you had a privilege of doing a maiden speech when you were here, and we will allow you to contribute all the time as a veteran politician. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker, for your generosity. Right Honorable Speaker, I would want to emphasize that the leadership that we have now is one of the finest leaderships that we've ever had. Because we are coming from a background where there was just a sharing of maheu by the leaders that were managing the affairs of Malawians. There was a leadership that had no vision, that rendered Malawians to destitute. Our First Deputy Speaker, when our President, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, was delivering his speech, indeed he showed the sense of maturity, understanding of issues, and the vision. This has been shown through the booklet that he has drawn his speech from. I call it a combo because it's a full house. Everything in it. I wanted to borrow a word from my chief whip, that's the DPP chief whip, that is a miniskirt. It's a very short, straightforward, and we was delivering, nobody felt sleeping because it was live, which means whatever that was being delivered in this was the answer to numerous problems that Malawians are facing out there. First Deputy Speaker, there is a say in the village, and I quote, which goes, that what elders see while sitting, a young man cannot see, even if he climbs the tallest tree in the area. Oh, yes. Mr. Speaker, sir, we have got a president who is an elder with a vision and mission to make sure that Malawians stop suffering. This SONA is the testament of that. And also, Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker, I wanted to say this because we have listened to SONAs from the previous regime. It was like a thesis, a big booklet, but empty, with nothing in it, no solutions. When delivering with a good English and a slang, people were failing to listen because it was prolonged, but without substance in it. But when we look at this statement, Right Honorable Speaker, this is life. It was life, it's life, and it will continue to uplift the livelihood of Malawians. Right Honorable Speaker, everything has been incorporated in this statement. Though short, we talk about the economy, it has been explained. We talk about the mining sector, has been explained. You talk about the agriculture, it has been explained. So it's almost everything has been put together for the understanding of an ordinary Malawian. Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker, when I got this booklet, I tried to paraphrase through. I saw the life being put into my constituency. We've got unfinished roads in my constituency, whereby when I was coming here, I thought I would belabor myself to be asking now and then for development. But His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, by just giving a 5 billion to every constituency, has solved that particular issue, that now we can stand, we can rise proud that indeed DPP is a return of a proven leadership. Right Honorable Speaker, the issue of the road in my constituency from Manje to Kapeni is in progress. And I would like to put this on record because the chiefs mentioned it on several times. The rainy season now is almost, whereby the traffic will have difficulties to use the road because now it's still in progress. And Manje is very congested. And I would like also to put on point that we have got a white elephant road that was started but not been completed. There's a bypass that comes from Chigumula. It goes a long way to Mpemba. It's a very important road, but it was just done partial. And I believe with this 5 billion that the President of the Republic of Malawi has promised to accredit to constituencies is going to take us a long way, that part of it we will be able to complete that road. We've got some bridges, which are timber bridges, that I believe are the same amount of money will take us a long way.
2 minutes to go, Honourable Member.
Thank you very much. It will take us a long way to do the needful by transforming them into concrete bridges. We've got monies for the youth, the 100 million, and monies for the women, the 100 million. I would like to applaud this government because it's not here to entertain people, but rather to do the needful for Malawians, for Malawian lives to be transformed. Deputy Speaker, I would have gone a long way, but because the time is a bit short, and I would have just said amen, but this is a house of speaking. That's why I said, no, I should speak, because this is a house of speaking. Mr. First Deputy Speaker, thank you for granting this opportunity to the people of Blantyre City, Chichiri Misesa, and I would like to thank them sincerely for entrusting me and giving me the opportunity that I can be standing here to run the affairs of the constituency. It wasn't easy, but still more, they entrusted timber to stand. I thank them sincerely. May God bless my constituency. May God bless Malawi. I thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Member, for opening this morning. I now go to Mchinji South, Northeast, Mchinji Northeast.
Thank you, First Deputy Speaker, sir, for granting people of Mchinji Northeast, people from Tie Dambe, Tie Kabondo, Tie Gomba, Sabtie Kambue, and Sabtie Chimala an opportunity to speak in this house. First things first, I would like to congratulate you, First Deputy Speaker, sir, and the entire staff for ascending to the position of speakership. It wasn't easy, but you made it. Our desire is that the moment you assumed those positions, you cease to be members of Democratic Progressive Party in this parliament, and you execute your duties without bias. Allow me, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, to begin by expressing sincere gratitude for the privilege to address this august house for the first time. I am profoundly humbled by the trust and the confidence the people of Mchinji Northeast have bestowed upon me to serve as their representatives. It is also a distinct honor to stand before these distinguished colleagues, the chosen few, who have been entrusted by the people of Malawi to chart the progress of this nation. Congratulations, honorable members. Let us always remember that our presence in this chamber is not a privilege to be taken lightly, but a solemn responsibility to serve with diligence, integrity, and unwavering commitment to public good. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me in a special way extend heartfelt congratulations to His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika on his election as Malawi's 7th president. His decisive victory, well beyond a legally prescribed threshold, demonstrates the deep trust and the confidence Malawians have placed in his leadership. A trust, Mr. Speaker, sir, that must be honored with responsibility and integrity. It was equally inspiring to hear President's unifying message during his swearing-in ceremony. His words resonated deeply when he said, and I quote, "We voted as one people, and let us rise above our differences to change this country as one people." Indeed, Mr. Speaker, sir, this call to unity must guide us as we begin to rewrite the story of our politics. We must move beyond the artificial divisions that separate us across the aisle. We are one parliament with a shared mandate to serve the people of Malawi. This house is not distinct from government, it is an integral part of it. The success or failure of any administration, Mr. Speaker, sir, reflects our collective performance. This, Mr. Speaker, sir, is not a DPP government, nor MCP government, nor UTM government, not even the little-known UDF government. It is the government of Malawi. Let us shift from the narrative and remind our citizens that they too are a part of government. So if you are all government, then why can't we, all of us, work with the government of the day? Because if we succeed, Mr. Speaker, sir, we all succeed. If DPP succeeds, all Malawians succeed. It is for the benefit of Malawians that all of us, this House must unite to ensure that this government delivers what it has been promising or what it is promising. Mr. Speaker, sir, if we adopt this mindset, we will function as one united body. Our fixation in partisan politics has long been our greatest weakness. By drawing imaginary lines between the government and opposition, we have at times celebrated failure simply because it served our political interests. Such politics of division, Mr. Speaker, sir, such politics of division and sabotage, Mr. Speaker, sir, is a betrayal of the public trust. The people I represent, the people of Kapondo, the people of Dambe, the people of Gumba, the people of Jimala, the people of Sabtie, Kambue, care little about which side of this House I sit on. What matters to them is how much am I contributing to the national development. The people, what matters to them is how much contribution to the national development, Mr. Speaker, sir, knows no political car. It belongs to all of us. Mr. Speaker, sir, we all have an opportunity to make a lasting difference. For my part, I will consider my tenure meaningful if I can help realize my constituents' long-celebrated, long-cherished aspirations. One, Mr. Speaker, sir, access to piped water at the Kapiri and the Chipumi Training Center. Mr. Speaker, sir, Kapiri Training Center is one of the busiest training centers in Nchinji. It is a political hub. It is a business hub to vendors from as far as Ntundwala, Kamboni, Sante, and other places beyond Nchinji district. But despite all this, Mr. Speaker, sir, the trading center has had no running water, no piped water since its creation. It is for this reason, Mr. Speaker, sir, that I ask Minister of Agriculture, including Minister of Health and Sanitation, to consider bringing the piped water at the trading center. The trading center has all social amenities. It has Sunday school, it has hospitals, the police, you can name it. Why then can't we have piped water when the trading center is a business hub to all these trading centers that are surrounding it? Mr. Speaker, sir, I would also like to see the completion of a tarmac road, the Nkanda Kapiri tarmac road, which has stood for 4 years. It's only less than 30 kilometers that are remaining. I believe this government, this administration, will see to it that the completion of this tarmac road, the Nkanda Kapiri tarmac road, is completed within my tenure. I'll be happy to see this road completed. I would also like to see the upgrading of Nchirumba Gumba Road that cuts through Mazenga, Chisamba, Tsekwe, Chirowa, to ensure that there's smooth transportation of goods from Gumba, which is cut by the Lusa River, to the other part of the land, which is Kapiri Training Center, the business hub of the district. You may wish to know, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, that on Lusa River, I constructed a bridge 2.5 years ago. This is the river which has been claiming lives of the people for since its creation of this country. In 2022, we lost about 11 lives when the boat capsized when they were traveling to on the other side of the land for funeral. I took initiative myself to put up a wooden bridge on that river. And now there's that is a transportation of goods. Even the people are able to cross from this area to other area. But I would like this wooden bridge to be replaced by a durable slab so that this accident must not occur again. Equally important, First Deputy Speaker, I would like to see the upgrading of Katonda Camera Road that connects in Kota in Kasungu South to the Greville Standard. And another road which is important is Balitse Mandoa Kunkwala Road, including the Kalulu Joe Road that connects to Kambue Road. These roads, Mr. Speaker, sir, are very important. And if they are upgraded to the Greville Standard, it means we have lessened the burden that comes during the rainy season. These roads become impassable. On health, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to see the construction and upgrading of the construction of maternity wing and upgrading of Uchipumi Health Center. Because in Kapiri or in Chinji Northeast constituency, Mr. Speaker, sir, the hospital that we have is a CHAM facility. And you know, CHAM facility is the paying facility. It becomes very difficult during this time when people do not have money and they are unable to go and access health care services from this facility. So if we upgrade Chipumi Health Center, it means people have access to affordable, cheap, and quality health care services. On education, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have 3 secondary schools in Nchinchi Northeast constituency, which do not have hostels. And this has contributed to dropouts of many students, especially girls. And these dropouts are contributed mainly because these girls or these children come from the long distances to go to these secondary schools, and of course, the poverty levels in the district. So if you construct hostels in these secondary schools, it means we'll keep the students in this school, and that also help us to reduce the school dropouts in the district. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me now turn to plane crash. On this topic, Mr. Speaker, sir, I become emotional because I come from the family which lost a brother in that plane crash. I lost my brother, Lucas. Lucas was my brother, and on that chilly morning of 10th June, Lucas woke up full of life, pregnant with beautiful plans for his wife, 3 kids, and the entire family. He did his routine morning exercise, running from Area 30 senior quarters where he was staying, up to Malawi Institute of Management, and come back. Freshened up, had his breakfast, and left for Area 30 where his boss was staying, assuring his wife that he would come back home later in the day. He never did. Lucas was not just a brother. He was a wife, he was a husband, an uncle, a senior group Chisamba, but of course, Assistant Commissioner of Police. So as you are crying for a fresh investigation, we are not crying for a fresh investigation. We are mourning Lucas. We are mourning a brother. We are mourning a husband. Of course, we are mourning an Assistant Commissioner of Police who would have become a police IG someday. It is for this reason, Mr. Speaker, sir, that we are asking for compensation, because Lucas, as I said, left 3 kids. One of them, first Deputy Speaker, sir, one of them, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, has just written her MCE examinations. My sister-in-law is still in Area 30. She hasn't received her.
Order, members. Order, members.
The project that Lucas
consider winding
have
up.
installed.
Consider winding up.
That's why, Mr. Speaker, sir, we are requesting for a compensation. Mr. Speaker, sir, as I consider winding up, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like today to highlight that when President Mutharika was delivering his address here, he never touched on sticky issues, policy issues, and I would like to highlight 3 here. One is inequality and high cost of living, Mr. Speaker, sir. Malawi remains among the poorest countries in Africa, with her people spending less than $1 in a day. Mr. Speaker, sir, Oxfam reports that bottom 50% of Malawians own just 4% of the country's cost of living and rose by 3.9%. These figures tell a story of deep inequality and unwavering and worsening hardship. Economic growth benefits too few, while the majority remain vulnerable to even small economic shocks.
With these few remarks, Honourable Member.
Therefore, act, Mr. Speaker, sir, we must adopt national inequality reduction strategy, strengthening
with these
and
few remarks. With these few remarks, Honourable Member.
In conclusion, Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Speaker, sir, our health system remains poorly funded. In 2022, Mr. Speaker, sir, his house funded 8.2% of national budget going towards health sector, way below a budget declaration of 15%. I would like to propose this house should at least give
Thank you very much.
12 to 15% to ensure that there's improved steps delivered in health sector.
Thank you very much. With those remarks,
Mr. Speaker, sir, I submit.
I see Minister of Justice rising, and then Minister of Defense, before we go to Zomwe City South. Minister of Justice first.
Thank you very much, Honorable First Deputy Speaker, sir. I should first of all say that when I first rose and you were sitting in that chair, to reflect on a presentation from that side.
Club Junta, building better Africa.
High position of First Deputy Speaker.
I was actually worried.